Step right up for today's Mushroom Minute, courtesy of the Mushroom Network. We're diving deep into the enigmatic realm of the yellow night mushroom, also scientifically known as Tricholoma equestre. The yellow night mushroom isn't just a pretty face. Historically, it was a highly favored edible mushroom in some parts of Europe due to its mild but pleasant taste and inviting aroma. But caution is the name of the game. While once popularly consumed, recent studies suggest potential toxicity with large or frequent consumption of this mushroom. The yellow night mushroom often prefers coniferous forests. Their appearance, often after heavy rains, can sometimes seem like they're guarding the forest floor. So majestic, isn't it? Mushrooms, always full of mysteries and wonders. Curious about more fungal facts? Head to the Mushroom Network's marketplace and expand your horizons. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for even more mycological marvels.
If this Mushroom Minute sparked your interest, imagine what we could cover in the extended feature. There's a whole world of amazing insights, fascinating stories, and incredible uses for this kind of fungi genetics and countless other genetics out there. But to make that happen, we need your help. By subscribing to our YouTube channel, you're not just signing up for amazing, in-depth content. You're helping grow our Mushroom Network and fueling our mission to share the incredible world of fungi, both far and wide. Thanks for watching. This is the Mushroom Network, signing off. For now.